Nobody is a natural-born networker. It is a skill that must be learned and practiced like any other skill. And here is the method to follow. None of these steps are inherently hard on themselves, but you have to do all 5 together to make this effective. Step 1. Say yes. Say yes to every new opportunity that comes your way. When somebody invites you out, the natural tendency is to demur away from it and to say no. When a new opportunity at work comes up, say yes to everything. Step 2. Show up. Saying yes is the easy part. Anybody, it's lip service. Showing up is the hardest part. This is where bravery happens. It is easy to find an excuse to not do something. I challenge you to do the exact opposite. You've already said yes, go through with it. Step 3. Suit up. Don't just physically show up, but be there mentally too. Show up with your best self. Practice, rehearse, do a little research before, find out what the opportunities might be, who the people you're meeting with are. Spend a little time on it so that you can perform at your top level. Step 4. Follow up. This is where you close the loop, and this is what sets the stage for what can come next. Whenever you're out, with whoever you meet, inevitably you make commitments either to yourself or to other people. Make mental notes of what those commitments are when you go home, log those into your CRM system, and actually follow up with those. Do what you say you're going to do. Close the loop. Finally, the last step on how to effectively network. Move it forward. Set a calendar reminder, set a trigger in your CRM system. Do something that gives you an excuse later on to circle back with whoever you just met and to check in, to touch base, to move the relationship forward. Remember, the goal of effective networking is from moving from contacts to friendships. And with these 5 steps, with this simple method to follow, you're well on your way to achieving that.